Hi, my name is Dr. Gail Block, founder of Town & Country Veterinary Associates in Vernon, Connecticut. We opened in 1992. I'm here to welcome you to a tour this afternoon. So we begin in the reception area where we welcome our pet parents and our pets. We have a separate place for dogs and for cats. Town & Country was recently renovated from top to bottom over the last 3 years. Welcome to the back of the house. This is where all of our exam rooms are, an isolation ward, 5 exam rooms. All the exam rooms look fairly similar, and so this is just an example of one of them with computer, table, scale out in front where animals are weighed when they come in, when the pets are weighed before they come in the room. The next room I'd like to show you is our lab, where we can analyze all blood samples, all urine samples for many, many, many different tests. We have all kinds of machines that do all kinds of tests, and we use them regularly and every day, and they are very helpful in diagnostics on the spot. And now we're on to our treatment room, where all of our pre-surgical pre-medication happens, along with pre-anesthetic physicals. Each patient has a chart that sits here for the day. They are waiting here for surgery after they have been pre-medicated. Onto our surgical suite, where we perform all kinds of surgical procedures and non-surgical procedures that anesthesia is required for. This is our anesthesia machine. This is one of our monitors. We can monitor everything from heart rate to EKG to oxygen saturation to carbon dioxide. We really have the capability to be very, very careful with our patients under anesthesia. This is our laser, a cold laser that we use for any kind of inflammation that does not include using it on any masses that are cancer. But otherwise, you can use it for arthritis, you can use it for pain, you can use it post-operatively. We've been using it for many years in this way. And now we're on to digital x-ray, where we take many, many x-rays in a day and ultrasound as well. So we have the capability to do digital x-rays with the patient on the table that come up right here. This happens to be a dog that I saw 2 days ago that has a bladder full of bladder stones and also kidney stones that we are working on. This is our ultrasound machine, which gives us even more capability to see things in an abdomen and in a chest that we may not be able to see with an x-ray. It allows us to look into organs as opposed to just outside of them, and tends to be very helpful in helping clients make best choices for our patients. Welcome to our dental suite. When we do dentals on pets, they are obviously under anesthesia. We use a sensor very much like the one that is done when you have your teeth done to take x-rays. We have digital x-ray as well. We look at all of their roots. They are under anesthesia, same machine as in the surgical suite, but one that lives here. We also do use high-speed drills. We use a Cavitron to clean teeth, and we polish them. We do extractions, we do flaps, whatever is needed for their mouth to be healthy. Sometimes these dental procedures can take 2 to 3 hours depending on how many teeth we extract, but we weigh that with anesthesia time. Most pets do very well with this and feel much better after surgery. We're happy to discuss dentals with anybody since it's such a large procedure. Thank you for joining us on our tour of Town & Country Veterinary Associates. It's been lovely to have you. If you have any questions, comments, or would like to schedule an appointment, please call 860-645-1700. Have a wonderful day.